Hey everybody, what's up? We're over here on the intersection of Fellows and Ireland Road where there was a vehicle accident. Sounds like two cars collided. One ended up into a telephone pole. The telephone pole ended up landing on the car with one person trapped inside. As you can see right up ahead, there is some damage to this telephone pole. Sounds like the other person did flee. And they now have this entire section of the road blocked off. Don't want to get too close because Indiana does have that 25-foot rule. They are now directing traffic. So traffic still is coming through. Not a whole lot of information about this. The call was just over the radio about 10 minutes ago. I was leaving work. I turned right back around. I actually work on over by Fellows, north of this. So it didn't really take me that long to get here, but I am on a moped, so that does slow me down quite a bit. But it did sound like they were going to be here for a while, so I decided to go ahead and take the chance to try and make it. For anyone wondering, that pole that's down is definitely not connected over here. So I am safe standing on this side. Doesn't look like they're doing much right now. They have contacted the power company to let them know that they needed to turn the power off so they can get it fixed. Again, this is Fellows and Ireland Road. Since it doesn't appear that there's really anything going on here, I am going to go ahead and end this video, and I will see you all later.